Nexo wallet pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Nexo wallet charges fees for holding crypto or earning rewards. The surprising truth is, creating and maintaining a Nexo wallet is completely free. You only encounter blockchain network fees when sending crypto to external addresses, and Nexo clearly displays these costs upfront. Nexo offers a wide range of earning opportunities, including flexible and fixed-term interest accounts. Dabblecans like us can earn up to 12% annually, while major coins like BIS typically yield 4-6% depending on market conditions. Rewards are automatically credited daily, and the wallet does not deduct any portion from your earnings. Security is top-notch. Nexo uses cold storage, two-factor authentication, and insurance coverage for digital assets. You retain full control of your crypto while benefiting from a platform that maximizes earning potential safely and transparently. In conclusion, Nexo Wallet provides a free, secure, and clear way to grow your crypto holdings. Transparent rates, no hidden wallet fees, and strong security make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to earn interest on their digital assets without surprises.